Hello, and welcome back to Timeless Beauty, your home for inspiration that celebrates style at every age. Summer is a wonderful season of sunshine and vibrant energy, and our wardrobes should reflect that joy and ease. However, navigating summer fashion can sometimes be tricky. Today, we're diving into a very helpful topic: 7 summer outfit mistakes women over 60 are making, and more importantly, how to fix them for a season of effortless elegance. This isn't about rigid rules, but about simple, powerful adjustments that can help you feel more comfortable, confident, and chic in the summer heat. If you're ready to refine your summer style, please take a moment to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and let me know in the comments what your biggest summer style challenge is. The first common misstep is relying on heavy, dark-colored fabrics. While black is undeniably chic, fabrics like heavy polyester or thick knits in dark shades can trap heat, leaving you feeling warm and uncomfortable. The fix is wonderfully simple. Embrace the beauty of breathable, natural fabrics. Think of crisp linen, soft cotton, airy chambray, and flowy rayon. These materials allow your skin to breathe and feel light against your body. Swap out dark hues for a lighter, brighter palette. Imagine yourself in classic whites, creamy beiges, soft pastels like sky blue or blush pink, or even a vibrant coral or turquoise. These colors not only keep you cooler by reflecting the sun, but they also bring a fresh, youthful radiance to your look. Next, let's talk about fit. It's easy to fall into the trap of choosing shapeless, oversized garments in an attempt to stay cool and comfortable. But often, these baggy silhouettes can hide your figure and lack polish. The solution is to find the sweet spot between oversized and overly tight. Look for clothes that skim your body rather than cling or swamp it. A well-cut pair of straight-leg linen trousers, a blouse with subtle darting, or a simple A-line skirt can create a beautiful, defined silhouette without sacrificing comfort. Don't be afraid of structure. A tailored cut in a lightweight fabric looks intentional and incredibly sophisticated. Another area of concern for many is going sleeveless. As we age, it's natural for our feelings about our arms to change, leading many to cover up completely, even on the hottest days. But you don't have to. The secret is finding the right kind of sleeveless style. Instead of thin spaghetti straps, opt for tops and dresses with wider straps that provide more coverage and elegantly frame your shoulders. A cut that sits right at the edge of your shoulder is often incredibly flattering. And for those days when you do want a little more coverage, the third piece is your best friend. A whisper-thin kimono in a beautiful print, a sheer linen blend cardigan, or even a crisp white cotton shirt worn open like a jacket adds a layer of style, not heat. Now, let's address footwear. Comfort is key, but sometimes we sacrifice style by defaulting to unsupportive flip-flops or heavy, clunky shoes that aren't suited for the season. The elegant fix is to invest in stylish yet comfortable footwear. Think of chic espadrilles with a low wedge for a bit of height, sophisticated leather slides with cushioned soles, or a pair of classic, clean white sneakers for a modern, casual look. These options provide the support you need for a day of walking, while perfectly complementing your summer outfits. A metallic sandal in gold or pewter can also be a wonderfully versatile choice that elevates everything from shorts to dresses. We're about halfway through our style refresh. Which of these fixes are you most excited to try in your own wardrobe? I would love to read your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're enjoying these tips, please remember to give this video a like and subscribe for more inspiration. The fifth mistake is either avoiding prints entirely or choosing prints that feel a bit dated. A wardrobe without any patterns can feel one-dimensional, but small, fussy florals or overwhelming dated prints can distract from your overall look. The simple fix is to embrace modern, sophisticated prints. A timeless Breton stripe is forever chic and nautical. Consider elegant geometric patterns, abstract brushstrokes, or refined botanical prints in contemporary color schemes. The scale of the print is also important. A medium-scale pattern is often the most balanced and flattering, creating visual interest without being overpowering. Next, let's discuss accessories. It's easy to either forget them altogether, leaving an outfit feeling unfinished, or to pile on too many, which can look cluttered. The key is to be intentional and curated. Instead of many small pieces, choose one or two high-impact accessories to elevate your look. A beautiful silk scarf tied to your bag or around your neck, a classic woven straw tote, a pair of elegant sunglasses, and a simple piece of quality jewelry, like a pair of gold hoop earrings or a long pendant necklace, can make all the difference. These items add personality and a finishing touch of polish. Finally, the seventh mistake is forgetting the power of that third piece. A simple top and bottom can sometimes feel a little basic or incomplete, especially when transitioning from outdoors to an air-conditioned restaurant or for an evening event. As we touched on earlier, adding a third layering piece is a transformative style strategy. This could be a lightweight denim jacket for a classic, casual vibe, a soft draped vest to add structure, or a beautiful linen blazer that instantly pulls an entire outfit together. This simple addition adds depth, dimension, and a layer of sartorial confidence to your summer look. So there you have it, 7 simple adjustments to elevate your summer style. It's not about overhauling your entire wardrobe, but about making smart, thoughtful choices with fabric, fit, and finishing touches. Embracing your unique style is a journey of joy and discovery, and feeling fantastic in what you wear is a right you have at every single age. Thank you so much for joining me on Timeless Beauty today. I hope you feel inspired to step out in style this summer. Please remember to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss our tips on fashion and beauty. Until next time, stay stylish and confident.